Indoor flowering plants don't just brighten up a space, they can lift your mood, reduce stress, and even improve air quality. Whether you want bold, tropical blooms or delicate, fragrant flowers, there's a perfect houseplant waiting to transform your space. African violet is a classic favorite, blooming several times a year with velvety petals in shades of purple, pink, and white. Just keep its fuzzy leaves dry, and it will reward you with constant color. Oxalis, with its deep purple, clover-like leaves, folds up at night and opens in the morning, creating a dynamic display alongside its delicate white or pink flowers. Peace lily adds a touch of elegance with its sleek white flowers and glossy green leaves. As a bonus, it's a natural air purifier, making it as functional as it is beautiful. Anthurium brings a tropical touch to your home with its striking heart-shaped flowers in shades of red, pink, and white. These long-lasting blooms make a bold statement in any room. Christmas Cactus bursts into vibrant pink, red, or white blooms just in time for the holidays. Give it cooler temperatures in fall, and it will reward you with an explosion of flowers. Clivia impresses with clusters of trumpet-shaped orange or yellow flowers. A cool, dry winter period will encourage its stunning display in late winter. Calamondan orange not only blooms with fragrant white flowers, but also produces small, edible oranges. It's the perfect combination of beauty and function. Crown of Thorns is a hardy, drought-tolerant plant that thrives on neglect. Its small, colorful flowers last for weeks, making it a reliable bloomer year-round. Ixora, also called Flame of the Woods, bursts into fiery red, orange, and yellow clusters. This tropical beauty loves warm temperatures and plenty of light. Geraniums are not just for the garden. They make fantastic houseplants too. Their bright, cheerful blooms thrive indoors with the right care. Angel wing begonia impresses with its silver-speckled leaves and clusters of red, pink, or white flowers. Keep it bushy with occasional pinching, and it will bloom year-round. Rieger begonia forms a dense mound of glossy green leaves topped with rose-like flowers in red, yellow, or orange. It's a stunning winter bloomer. Wax begonia is a low-maintenance choice with glossy leaves and continuous red, pink, or white blooms. Given enough light, it will flower all year long. Bromeliad adds a tropical feel with vibrant flower bracts in shades of red, orange, and yellow. Its blooms last for months, making it a long-lasting indoor beauty. Shrimp plant blooms all year, producing pink or yellow bracts that look like little shrimp. It thrives in bright light and can be pruned to stay compact. Gloxinia puts on a show with velvety, bell-shaped flowers in deep, rich colors. Give it bright light and it will reward you with spectacular blooms. Guppy plant adds a whimsical touch with dangling orange flowers that resemble tiny fish. It's perfect for hanging baskets in bright spaces. Lipstick plant produces vibrant red tubular flowers that emerge from dark purple buds, adding a dramatic flair to any room. Silver vase plant, a close relative of the bromeliad, produces striking pink bracts with purple flowers. Watering into the central vase of its leaves keeps it happy and healthy. Brazilian fireworks lives up to its name, exploding with deep red bracts and lavender blooms. As the flowers fade, it even shoots out seeds for more plants. Flowering maple is a versatile beauty, producing crepe paper-like blooms in red, pink, and yellow. Whether grown upright or in a hanging basket, it adds charm to any space. Jasmine isn't just stunning, it fills your home with a sweet, intoxicating fragrance. This vining plant thrives in bright light and rewards you with delicate white or pink blooms. Indoor flowering plants do more than decorate your home. They create a happier, healthier space. So why not bring some of these beauties into your home today? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more plant tips and inspiration. Let's keep growing together.